Walmart credit cards are tied directly into Walmart's payment system, which means the benefits show up automatically at checkout instead of requiring separate coupons or manual rewards tracking. By the end, you'll understand how the Walmart credit card rewards structure works, where the savings actually apply, and how to avoid missing benefits at checkout. First benefit is automatic rewards on eligible purchases. When you use a Walmart credit card at checkout, rewards are tracked in your account without needing to activate offers each time. That matters because most store discounts require manual clipping, but this system applies in the background during eligible transactions. Second is higher rewards inside Walmart compared to outside spending. The structure is designed so Walmart purchases earn more value than general shopping. That difference is what makes the card most useful for people who regularly shop for groceries or household items at Walmart locations or Walmart.com. Third is integration with Walmart Pay. When you link the card to Walmart Pay inside the app, you can scan and pay in-store using your phone. This keeps all transactions inside one system, which makes it easier to track rewards, returns, and receipts without switching between physical cards and paper records. Fourth is access to promotional financing on select purchases. Certain larger purchases may qualify for special financing terms at checkout, depending on current offers. These offers are only visible at payment time, so they are easy to miss if you're not checking the payment screen carefully before completing a purchase. Fifth is digital receipt and purchase tracking. Every transaction made with the card is stored in your Walmart account. That helps with returns, warranty claims, and price tracking, because you don't need to keep paper receipts or manually search bank statements. Sixth is easier return verification. Since purchases are tied directly to your Walmart account and card activity, returns can often be processed without a physical receipt, using transaction lookup instead. Seventh is combined savings stacking. In some cases, Walmart card purchases still allow you to apply in-app rollback pricing or promotional discounts at the same time, depending on the item and offer type. This stacking is what increases the overall savings potential compared to using a standard card. All of these benefits come from one system idea. Walmart connects payments, rewards, and shopping history into a single account layer, so value is applied automatically instead of manually claimed. If you want to use it effectively, start by linking the card to Walmart Pay in the app and checking your rewards summary after each purchase. That's where most users first see how much value they're actually earning. Subscribe for more breakdowns that make everyday financial tools easier to understand and use properly.